Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. So let's get started and talk about the lesson of conditional type tree. So conditional type tree is a kind of sentences we use or forms we use to talk about to express regret. So please let's study the example we have here. So if you had worked harder, you would have passed your exam. So as you see here, we have two sentences. Yeah, the first one is the if clause, then the next one is the main clause or the result clause. So as you see here, look at the first clause, the if clause. In the if clause we have a verb, and this verb is conjugated in the past perfect, which is had plus the past participle of the verb. Good. Now we move to the next clause, which is the main or result clause. And as you see here, we have the form or the tense or the form we have is would plus have plus past participle of the verb. And of course, you see that we have a comma between the two clauses. Good. So from here, we understand that conditional type tree is used, or we use conditional type tree to refer to an impossible condition or situation in the past and its probable result in the past. So what do we mean here? We mean that if we go to the first example, did I work hard? No. Did I succeed or pass my exam successfully? No. So it's something that is not real in the past because I didn't succeed and because I didn't work hard. That's why now I'm just like regretting, like wishing. I wish. It's like the use of wish. It's the same here. So let's see another example. I didn't know you were coming. That's why I didn't bake a cake. So here we have a cause and effect sentence. So I didn't know you were coming. This is the cause, and that's why I didn't bake a cake. So if we want to rewrite this sentence using the conditional type tree, we start with if. So we can say here if didn't know here, the verb should be in the past perfect. So we say if I had known you were coming, comma, I would have baked a cake. So this is simply what is a conditional type tree. Now just something to bear in mind, it's like a remark. If we start our conditional sentence by the main clause, we don't put a comma between the two clauses. What do you mean by this? If we start, as you see in the example here, you would have passed your exam if you had worked hard. So here we start the sentence with the main clause and then we put the if clause in the second place. So here when I have this form, we don't put a comma between the two sentences or the two clauses. Well, I hope this is clear. See you in another lesson. Thanks.